Galingan mo, makakarating yan sa ano. Makakarating yan sa kuya.
Hello. And when the broken hearted people begin to warn me, there won't be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. There is still a case that will see. There won't be an answer. Let it be. 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 There will be an answer. Let it be. 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 Whisper what whisper. Let it be.
Nakarating sa YouTube yun, magagalit sa mga kamag-anak ng Beatles. Yeah, let it be. Alam niya, alam niya.
I-upload niya yan. Sa WhatsApp niya, may WhatsApp daw siya.
Yeah. Nagwelo, fans.